How to see new member list on Facebook group. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see new member list on Facebook group. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just scroll down and tap on groups. And now here, once you're inside the groups, then what you can do is just go inside the group that you want to see the member of. And here, once you're inside the group, just tap on the group name at the top, and after that what you can do is simply scroll down and there you will see the members option. So beside members, just tap on see all option, and after that what you can do is simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as new to the group. So here the profile under that is the list of the people that have recently joined the group. So if you are a group admin or a moderator, then you may also see join dates and extra details about the new members as well. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.